The Senate now wants Controller of Budget to freeze accounts of all governors who fail to appear before the Senate committees to answer to questions raised by the Auditor General. In a motion seen by Citizen Television, the Senate says failure to appear before its committees exposes taxpayers' money to continued plunder. Stephen Latour reports.
The Senate is now going for governors who have been snubbing their summons to appear to answer to questions raised by the Auditor General over their financial misuse. The Senate says some governors have become notorious and have continuously declined to appear before the Homa Bay Senator Moses Kajwang-led committee to explain audit queries. The Senate now says it is going to pass a motion to compel the Controller of Budget to exercise powers under Article 2285 of the Constitution and the PFM Act not to approve withdrawals from a county revenue fund by a county government whose governor has failed or declined to appear before a Senate committee to account for funds allocated to the county government in the preceding financial year. The Senate further says that the Controller of Budget shall consider a letter from the clerk of the Senate communicating a resolution of a committee as sufficient evidence that the county governor or accounting officer has failed or declined to appear before the committee or that they have subsequently appeared before the committee. The Senate says certain county governors have repeatedly failed to honor invitations and summons issued by the County Public Accounts Committee, thereby contravening the constitutional and statutory duty to account to funds allocated to their respective county governments. According to the Senate, failure by county governors and relevant accounting officers to appear before Senate committees undermines the constitutional oversight mandate of the Senate and weakens accountability in the management of public resources. Continued disregard of Senate invitations and summons, according to Parliament, sets a precedent that erodes the principles of transparency, accountability, and respect for constitutional institutions. Governors have, however, blamed the Senate committee of turning rogue and resorting to extortion and turning the sessions into an arena of settling political scores when governors appear before them. Stephen Latour, Citizen TV.